In this tutorial, you will learn how to integrate your Meta Ads with Woztel to be able to create WhatsApp automations. Did you know that your Meta Ads can have call-to-action buttons that start WhatsApp conversations? Using this feature, you can easily automate lead acquisition to boost the performance and return of investment of your campaigns. In a few steps, we will show you how to sync your ads with Woztel, give you an overview of Woztel's Meta Ads panel, and show you how to implement advanced WhatsApp automations linked with your ads. In the Woztel platform, navigate to the Meta Ads section in the top menu. Click on the switch to grant Woztel the needed permissions to manage your Meta Ads. Log into your Facebook account. Select a Facebook business portfolio with a valid ads account. Complete the process and select your desired ads account. Here, you can view your ads. Each card will display the ad's name, its ID, a preview of the ad's image or video, and its call to action. If you want to create a new one, click on New Campaign, and you'll be directed to your Facebook Ads Manager to create one. On the section below, you will find quick links to manage your conversations initiated by ads. You can easily access the Woztel inbox to start a live chat with a user coming from an ad by clicking here. However, we suggest that you use a chatbot to manage leads from ads. We will teach you all about that in the next section. Lastly, you can quickly view metrics of your campaigns in this table here. Now, we will walk you through the different automations that can be created with Meta Ads and Woztel. Before you start, it is important that you configure your ads call to action in your Facebook Ads account so that your users land on WhatsApp upon clicking on the ad. In this example, we are showing some click to WhatsApp Woztel ads that we had running inside our Facebook Business Manager. Once you have that ready, you have different possibilities for automation. You can create a tree diagram chatbot with predefined options and responses. You can create an AI chatbot, which responds in a more flexible manner. Or, you can create a hybrid chatbot, which combines elements of the last two. The only trick you need to know in order to link any chatbot to a click to WhatsApp ad is to make sure that the initial trigger of the chatbot is set to Meta Ads. You can set it so that the chatbot activates for all Meta Ads on your account, or you can insert the ID of a specific ad to have a single chatbot activate when it is clicked. To do that, just navigate to your ad of choice within your Ads Manager, copy the ID of the ad, and paste it within the triggers blank on the Woztel platform. That's it. You can find more information in our knowledge base. See you next time.